Well, hello again, everybody. If you guys can believe it, we are on day 6 already. Day 6. That is exciting to me. But as on our day 6 of mental health tips and tricks, we're doing 25 days. So it's basically our version of Vlogmas with regards to our YouTube channel. We love you guys, and these are the things that we want to always make sure that we do to love on you, to show you that in this month of December where we're struggling, well, a lot of people are struggling because December is a tougher month. But you guys, it's spectacular to know that God has your back and that we are right here, and we're trying to put up some little things to just keep you guys in that place where you know that you are loved. You are loved. And yesterday we talked about speaking good things about yourself, good self-talk. Remember that in that little spot of the tip for mental health is, I am loved. Say that to yourself, I am loved, because it will make a difference. It will impact you for who you are, to remind yourself that you are, even if you don't feel like you are loved. You are important. So those are really important things. Hey, if you are catching us here on this 25 days of tips and tricks for mental health, subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of our team on here. We put up videos on Thursdays usually, but obviously right now we're doing a mental health type of thing. So we're going to have a video every day for you for 25 days. So if you can subscribe, we would love to have you. Anyway, on to day 6, and our day 6 tip for mental health, to get through mental health issues, is day 6, be generous with your compliments to others. I know that can be a difficult one. But for those of us that deal with mental health, and say, for instance, that part of your mental health, you have trouble going out and seeing people and those types of things, this can go along with yesterday's tip of having healthy self-talk about yourself, talking good things about yourself. You can also be generous with your compliments to yourself. I know that can be a difficult thing, and people that are struggling with mental health often struggle with looking at themselves as worthwhile or being able to compliment themselves. So if it's difficult, or you don't have anybody necessarily in your life that you can compliment yourself. That's important. But it is nice to be able to compliment people, even if, let's say, it's just the cashier that you're dealing with at like whatever store that you shop at. Tell them they have a beautiful smile. Sometimes that can be the difference between having a crap day and having a good day. So remember those things. The scripture that I want to share with you comes from Ephesians chapter 4, verse 29, and it says, "Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen." So just saying to somebody that they have a beautiful smile, or that they smell nice, even sometimes that is just something that people need to know. Even if it's like a heavy duty serious cologne smell, just say that they smell nice, because maybe you can smell that, but isn't it nicer to be able to know that you can smell that on them? Maybe they're feeling self-conscious about themselves and they're putting extra perfume or cologne on to try and make themselves feel better. So, it's a nice thing to actually say nice things to people. So be generous with your compliments to others. That is very important. I just wanted to read something really quickly to you guys that I read in this teaching that I thought was pretty awesome. So we've all heard the phrase, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Although we may abide by this command most of the time, the unfortunate reality is that too many of us swing so far right that we don't say anything at all most of the time. So that is a true story. And to me, when I read that, that to me is like exactly how it is for people that are struggling with mental health. You're either extremely extroverted or you're like me and extremely introverted. But for me, on the most part, I have both. Once I've gotten to know you a little bit more, I'm more extroverted with you. I like to talk to you. I like to spend time with you and get to know you and those things. But until that point, I am so introverted. So this specific one, this day 6 of be generous with your compliments to others, it can be a tough one. So I know that for myself, on my mental health trek, I'm going to be sending some messages out to people and be generous with my compliments. Think about things for these people that I know that I love about them or that I like about them. And even the people that I don't really care for very much, I'm going to look for something special that I can be generous with them and tell them. Have a great day, guys, and we will see you tomorrow for day 7. Wow. Anyway, bye for now.